This is the T-Fal Signature Series 12-piece cookware set. And this is the titanium series. How awesome is this? And they're also dishwasher safe as well as scratch resistant too. This also comes with ThermoSpot technology. This is going to indicate when it's preheated and ready to cook. How perfect is that? You're going to receive a 2-quart refrigerator lid, as well as a 1-quart saucepan, a 2-quart saucepan, and a 5-quart Dutch oven pan. You're also going to be receiving 2 of these tools. One's a spatula and one's a serving spoon. You're also going to receive an 8.5-inch pan, as well as a 10.5-inch frying pan too. You're also going to receive a 10.25-inch griddle pan. Another nice feature is it has soft handles, and they're also non-stick cookware as well as scratch resistant. It also has an even heat base to distribute the heat evenly, so you're not going to have any hot spots. Another nice feature, it has measuring marks on the saucepans. Takes the guesswork out of cooking. And I love that it has these easy to use lids. So perfect. Here's a close-up of the tools, and it also has a hole so you can hang it up. Here's a close-up of the 8.5-inch frying pan. And this is what the 10.5-inch frying pan looks like. And this is the 10.25-inch griddle pan. And here is the saucepan, and it also has the measuring marks too. This is in the 1 quart, and this is the lid. And this is the 2-quart saucepan, and it also has the measuring marks right there. And this is also compatible with the refrigerator lid as well. And this is the 5-quart Dutch oven pot. And this is the marks inside it. And it also has 2 handles on either side. I definitely love my T-Fal set, and I think you will too. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.